Find or read reviews that people are talking about Obbug clip-on open-ear headphones, wireless Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds with earhooks. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Open-ear clip headphones. Newly developed clip-on ear design with new and stylish appearance and open ear to make sure you can sense the sound of the external environment when you enjoy your music, film, sport. And you improve personal safety and be able to respond politely to others. The sport earbuds naturally fit the curve of the ear, and are gently and firmly placed on the ear without being plugged into the ear canal, providing a listening experience without earplugs and burden, and no longer worry about earache caused by long-term wearing. Wireless headphones 5.3 low latency experience. The Bluetooth 5.3 chip provide a higher and more stable transmission speed without signal loss or music interruption. The headset will immediately connect to the previously connected device, taking both headset out for pairing automatically, delivering high-quality sound with ultra-low latency. Lower power consumption and perfect synchronization. Lightweight and stable fit. Sport earphones weigh 0.18 ounce, made of premium soft silicone material, keeps sport relax. The open-ear design helps you achieve the true painless and harmless, as the earphone is no need to plug into the ear canal. With ergonomic surround and streamlined syncing design, the sports Bluetooth headphones can keep on ear when running, dance or wearing glasses. IPX4 waterproof and button control. This wireless earbud has IPX4 waterproof and rigid seam design, easily resists movement or all-weather conditions in rain and sweat. Music and phone calls are easily controlled via the multi-function buttons on wireless headphones. Simple button control, very convenient to play/pause music, change songs, volume plus or minus, activate Siri, answer/hang up/reject incoming calls, while also preventing accidental touches. Innovative design and perfect gift. The open-ear headphone is new style design, mini shape is more heartwarming, which it's not only earbuds, but also a beautiful earring or other beautiful decorations, make you more attractive. More suitable to give to friends, relatives, neighbors as a gift, which must be very novel. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.